rest is up to you, alright? Oh, and the big snake's pocket.
Alright, hi everyone. My name is Robert Middleton, but you can call me Sweaty for obvious reasons. Now, I know that today's adventure is going to be a bit different from what y'all expected. There's going to be snakes, there's going to be outlaws, and if you're real lucky, you're going to see the basilisk, king of the serpents. There also will be some gunplay. Woo, that's exciting. Okay, so I gotta tell y'all the plan. You're gonna help Trapper Dan get some goods downriver. We are right here. We're gonna take some very special bricks down to Jones Landing, right outside of Seville, right there. Okay, now that you guys know where we're going, I'm gonna show you what we'll be doing. Take a look at the crates that open up at the front and back of the room, and tell me what's in there.
Bots.
Are you embarrassed? Okay, I'm so sorry. I had to make sure y'all were outlaws. Any outlaw with the brain would have known if there were snakes in there. Now, the rest of y'all, I gotta make sure that I pick the most trustworthy people for this next part. Raise your hand if you deem yourself. All right, you two, step forward, and the rest of y'all take a gander. Okay, so Trapper Dan needs you to take these very special bricks down the river for him, okay? Anything the deckhand says goes. Does that make sense? Can you do that for me? Okay. The rest of y'all will be playing expendable heroes. And if you don't like that, then volunteer for something else next time, okay? So, the two of y'all will be going out first, and then your family, and then the rest of y'all will follow them, okay? Like Trapper Dan always says, price of gold, real good. Good luck, y'all.
It's right just right now. Right, two, watch your step. Right on it. Right up right here.
Ooh, I'm sorry.
Alrighty, I'll watch your step for me.
Alright.
Thank you. Alright, well, I want to welcome you aboard the Catawba today. My name is Sniffles, because I've got allergies, okay? So make sure you pay some mind to that, okay? Now, I see you two over here has got my gold. So can I see that real quick? Thank you. Okay, just kidding. I don't want to touch it. Remember, I got allergies. Can you hold that up for me? Perfect. So that right there is our gold, okay? So what's your name, dear? Elena. I'm going to call you Tin Can, okay? So if anything happens to that gold, guess who's going overboard? Tin Can. That's correct. Now, partner, can I actually take this one from you? Okay? All right. What do you think this is, buddy? Okay, so yellow means gold. So red is dynamite. Dynamite is very dangerous, partner. You do not want a remake of the Titanic, I'll tell you that. So, I'll take that from you and put it in my box, but you've got to keep a special eye on that, okay, folks? So now, I've already welcomed you. I told you my name's Sniffles. So let's go ahead and let's talk about the river a little bit. Now, Snake River is home to some majestic wildlife, and unfortunately those gun-toting outlaws as well. And if you believe the legend, it is also home to the basilisk, king of all serpents. Now, I'll tell you what, folks, there is a way that we communicate out on the river, and it's a little unconventional, okay? So repeat after me. Woo! Woo! Okay, we'll raise your soft palate. Woo! There we go, folks. Now, that is what we call the official Snake River wolf call. Now, we use that out here on the river to warn each other of any intermediate danger. Yes, I said that correctly. Now, if you see any snakes, any outlaws, or real big snakes, you be sure to let me hear it, okay, folks? Now, since this is an expedition, I might as well show you some of my favorite sights. Oh, goodness. All right, folks. Everybody stay calm. So I got some good news and some bad news. The good news is I get to introduce y'all to a real live bear. The bad news is that is my ex-wife. I'm just teasing. She's much hairier than that. But that is my house, so that's going to be a real awkward conversation later. But I'll tell you what, at least my housekeeper Bandit is hanging from that clothesline there, helping me with my laundry. Hi, Bandit. Careful with the starch. I'm getting a rash. I'll tell you what, well, I'm so going to surprise y'all with some music today, but it looks like the critters got to the band before the instrumentalist could. Well, that is the third time that has happened this week. What are we going to do? Okay, let's think positively. Oh, here on your left is Adventure Island. We call it Forbidden Frontier around these parts. It is known for its special secrets like hidden treasures and such. Oh, would you look at those bears? Ain't that cute? Must have been a swing band today, right? Oh, goodness. All right, everyone. This right here is Flapjack McGee. Now, Flapjack McGee is my least favorite neighbor because he never shares his flapjacks, at least not with me, not very neighborly, even though I brought him soap last week. I just want some flapjacks. Is that too much to ask for? I'll tell you what, I can't say a lot of good things about Flapjack's family, but one bad thing, well, I guess one good thing I can say about his family is they're always busy as beavers. I tell you what, they're just the hardest working critters out in this river. Oh, hi, Miss Flapjack. Good to see you today. Hey! You're supposed to be saying timber. We care about safety. No is not a correct answer. You see the way she just talks to me? Like I said, rude. Oh, now, we got any drinkers on board? Just me? And nobody else likes drinking? Alright. I guess I'm the lone wolf out here. So this right here is Crystal Rock Bottling Company. Now, they are known for their specialties: sarsaparilla, moonshine, beer, water. If you drink that sort of stuff, I'll tell you what, if they had tequila, I would be hooked. I feel like you know what I'm talking about, right? You like tequila? Alright, perfect, perfect. Oh, now, wait a second, folks. Oh! Good call on that one. There's some snakes up here, but even worse, that right there is Bandit. He is supposed to be doing my laundry right now, but instead he's taking his lunch break. I'll tell you what, good help is just so hard to find these days. Now folks, this right here is the moonshine. It looks like it's actually spilling into the river. No wonder these critters are just crazy as I'll get out. I'll tell you what, that cannot be good for the environment. These fishes are probably drunk. Hey, I wish that was me. I'll tell you what, sometimes I feel like I'm living in a pool of moonshine. You know what I mean? Alright folks, so everybody remain calm. So this right here is Seville. Now we don't normally show these parts on our tours because it's a lawless land and it attracts some real rough types. But since we're helping Pepper in, we ain't got much of a choice. I'll tell you what, this looks like it's one of our friends up here, so let's go ahead and give him that official Snake River Wolf call and see what he does, okay? Woo! Oh, that was close enough, I'll tell you what. Now, Captain, let's go ahead and pull in and get this trader going, okay? Now, folks, as we approach the dock, brace yourselves for some mild bumping, okay? Hey there, partner. How you doing today?
I'm sweaty. How are you?
Oh, I can see that for sure. Is that your name, too?
May as well be at this point, I think.
Yeah. Well, it's so nice to meet you. My name is Sniffles.
Hi, Sniffles. You got a cold or something?
No, just bad allergies, I'll tell you that. Now, how has things been going over here? It seems pretty quiet.
Oh, it's been pretty quiet. I checked all these barrels for outlaws.
Oh, did you?
Hey, I didn't see none of them.
Oh, well, that's so good. I hope there was stuff in there. Was there?
It hurt my foot.
Yeah, I believe it. Now, I'll tell you what, partner. Let's just get to the chase. So I've got a friend over here who's holding our stuff, and I need to know that you know the password. So how has the river been today?
Oh, that's right. Let's see here. Why, this river's been slithering like snakeskin.
Well, you didn't have to put your whole boot in for that when you really committed. All right, so we're going to hand it over real quick,
Hold it
okay?
right there, partner.
Whoa!
Fight or flee.
I'm probably gonna flee.
Good choice.
Okay.
What is your name, sir?
All right, everybody, hands where I can see them, okay?
Just follow my lead.
This here's a stick up. Get your hands up.
All right, folks, he's got a gun. Come on now. Hi, how are you today?
Oh, I'm just fine. How about yourself?
You know what? I've definitely had better, but I don't really have time to talk about it. So I'll tell you what, my friend James right here. Hey, James. So he says that you smell and you don't know the password, so therefore that is his business and you can't get on the boat, but I'm gonna let him handle it, right, James?
No.
Well, you may be right about me being smelly. But I do know that the password is that this river's slithering like snakeskin. Yeah,
Oh,
Trevor
who told
Dan
him?
ain't
James.
as smart as he thinks he is. Neither are any of you. Now I know the gold is on this here vessel, okay? And I know one of you's got it. So, we're gonna play a little game. Alrighty? It goes like this. Hand it over. Yes, you do.
Come on now. It is our life that is at risk, not just yours.
Okay, just hand it over. See, when you smile, when you're lying, I can tell that
Come
you're
on
lying.
now.
Come on now,
There
hand
is
it over.
too much at stake. Go on and just give it up, okay? Go on and just give it up, partner.
Just give it up. Give me that. Goodness gracious.
Well, I'll tell you what, that horn right there is Etta Fox's cavalry horn. So you best watch your back, because they're on to you.
Oh yeah, well, don't go trying to be a hero because I ain't working alone. You best watch your back.
Now, what is that supposed to mean?
Well, I guess we'll find out. Hey, partners, get my friend James up here.
Oh no. Okay, everybody stay down. They are shooting. Stay down, folks. Stay down. Stay down, ma'am. Are you crazy? Stay down. They are shooting. Okay, I'm getting real nervous. Will you hold my hand? Okay, thank you. Oh, I'll tell you what, I just feel more calm already. All right, folks. So it looks like the coast is clear. So if everybody's okay, go ahead and give me that official Snake River Wolf call one more time. There we go, folks. You get kind of worried there. I've been there for a minute. I thought I lost the whole boat back there. Oh, goodness gracious. Now, we lost the gold. Why did you listen to me? I'll tell you what, I was real scared back there. So I'm kind of glad you did it. I didn't want it to get risky. But, okay, folks. That right there means that the flag has been sent out. That flag means that the cavalry's been sent out to Seville. So we're going to want to get a message from Trapper Dan. I'll tell you what, let's head down to the old mine and get a message to him himself, okay?
All right.
It's a good thing you brought that bag of dynamite on board because it looks like we're going to need it. Now, has anyone here ever worked with dynamite before? Just me? Oh, you've worked with dynamite before. Oh, I believe that, Short Stack, for sure. You look like you've definitely handled some dynamite. I'll tell you. Oh my goodness, folks. It looks like we had the gold all along. You know what? This calls for a celebration. Let's go ahead and hear that official Snake River Wolf call. Do you remember it? There we go, partners. That's so good. Now hold up, folks. Look at all that gold lying out there. That is not how Trapper Dan likes it. Where is his crew? And okay, everyone stay still right there. That right there is Trapper Dan's wolves, and they will jump on board and have us for lunch.
My leg, those wolves got me good.
Oh yeah? Well, it looks like you got a message from Trapper Dan, outlaw.
Oh yeah? Well, I got the gold and I found the secret mine, so us civilians is gonna be rich.
Whoa! Hold on, outlaw. Drop the bag. Wait.
Never, this gold is mine.
Hey, shoot the outhouse. He's got the dynamite.
You got it.
Everybody stay
warned you,
down.
outlaw. And this one is for Trapper Dan.
Nice shooting, partner. How about we give him a round of applause for that? That was good. We sure will. You know, I'll tell you what, folks. I think we deserve a break because this has been a real tantalizing experience, that's for sure. Now, I'll tell you what, folks, we got to figure out what we're going to tell Trapper Dan because I don't know what to tell him. So, we didn't lose the gold, and we didn't deliver it. So, I feel like there are better. What are you hollering at, partner? Oh my goodness. Okay, everybody, stay calm, stay calm. So that right there is the basilisk, folks. We should be fine as long as it doesn't spray us with the poisonous venom. I'm gonna need your hand again, ma'am. Okay, I think we're all good, folks. Oh no. All right, Captain Sam, full speed ahead. This summer job just ain't worth it, folks. I'll tell you that. Okay. You know what? Let me catch my breath real quick, folks. Okay, I'm feeling great. So, first I just want to apologize. I'm so sorry that today's trip wasn't as smooth as we expected, but I'll tell you what, if Trapper Dan was here, he would consider y'all all official Snake River family. You hear? Alright, now as we head back into the dock, make sure you keep your hands inside and watch your step as you exit, and please do not forget any of your items on board and don't switch it. We all figured out how that works. My job's already hard enough. Now, Captain Sam, do you have a little piece of advice for us?
I do. As we approach the dock here, please remain seated and prepare for some mild bumping, or as we like to call it, peer pressure.
Sorry, I almost did a spit take. I'll tell you what, folks. Thank you for coming on board with me today and trusting me with your life, quite literally. Now, I like to do a question and answer. Now, what was your favorite
There's
part of
that
the
peer
day
pressure.
today? All right. Okay, that was good. That was good too. It really saved my job. What about you, ma'am? What was your favorite part?
When we saved the gold.
Really? I thought you were gonna say when you held my hand, but I guess that's fine too. What about you, little one? What was your favorite part? Nothing.
Peer pressure.
All right. What about you? What was your favorite part? I know you got something to say. When he shot the bad guy? I'll tell you what, you seem like a real thrill seeker. Are you looking for a job? Because I'll tell you what, you can have mine. Any day. All right, Captain Sam, I believe we're ready for you.
At this time, you may exit towards the front right of the boat here. Make sure to watch your step here as you exit. And thank y'all for riding Sacred Rock Expedition and enjoy the rest of your day here at Cedar Point, America's roller coaster. Ride on.